A very good morning to one and all. Children, in the previous class, we were doing the lesson noun numbers. So today we are going to continue with the new lesson, that is countable and uncountable nouns. So let's see what is countable and uncountable nouns. Do you know how to make orange juice? Here's a list of things that you need to make fresh orange juice. Complete the recipe with words from the list of items. Okay, so here it is given items required to make the orange juice. Orange. First we need oranges. How many oranges? 3. Then we need water. How much water? 1 cup. Then honey. So how much we need honey? 1 teaspoon. Then a blender or juicer to make these things. So recipe. So what you will write? Take the 3 oranges. Okay. Here you have to write take the 3 oranges. Cut each orange in half. Squeeze each half using the juicer. Add what we have to add? 1 cup. Okay, this here it is given 1 cup. Add 1 cup of water to this and mix well. Then we have to add what we have to add? How many teaspoon? 1 teaspoon of honey. Then serve it cold. Okay. Then see. Do you notice that some of the items in the recipe can be counted while the others cannot? So while we make the orange juice, so what we have seen that some of the items we can count and some of the items we cannot count. So here's noun that can be counted and take the plural forms are called countable nouns. So which are uncountable nouns? Nouns that can be counted and that take the plural form are called countable nouns. They answer the question how many. So countable nouns answer the questions how many. Example, the child wanted a toy. The gardeners are watering the plants. So these are the example of countable nouns. Then next, nouns that cannot be counted and do not have plural forms are called uncountable nouns. Okay. So which are uncountable nouns? Nouns that cannot be counted and which do not have plural forms are called uncountable nouns. They answer the question how much. So this uncountable noun answer the questions how much. Okay. For examples, can you get me a glass of water please? Next, the entire city was covered in sand after the dust storm. Uncountable nouns do not have the plural form. So here you have to take the notice that uncountable nouns, they do not have the plural form. They are paired with words. Okay, with words that show the quantity of the noun. For example, 2 bags of garbage, 1 loaf of bread. Okay. Understood, children? What is countable and what is uncountable nouns? I hope you are clear with this. Okay. Now, let's go to the exercises. Page number 23. Have a look, page number 23. So, first exercise A. So, in A, you see, underline the countable nouns and circle the uncountable nouns in these sentences. So here what you have to do, for countable nouns you have to underline. Okay. And for uncountable nouns you have to circle. So here countable and uncountables are given. So for countable nouns you have to underline and uncountable you have to circle. Number 1, there are many restaurants in Bengaluru. So, how many restaurants? Many. That means cannot count. So, it will be what? uncountable. So what do you have to do? We have to circle. So here many. Many will be the answer. Uncountable. So we are circling. The next is I need information about the tribes of Northeast India. So about what? About the tribes of Northeast India. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do this as an assignment. 1 I have done and shown you. So the remaining parts you have to do by yourself. Okay. Then next, number B. Fill in the blanks with suitable word from the box. Some words can be used more than once. So here are the words that are given. Many, some, any, a, much, few, little, a lot of, a piece of. Okay. So these are the words that are given in the box. So by taking this word, you have to fill these blanks. So one word you can use more than once. Okay. You can use twice, thrice. Okay. So let's see number 1. Number 1. They weren't dash boxes left. So what will be? What will be the answer? There weren't any boxes left. Okay. Number 1 is any. So you have to write here any. Then next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The remaining you do by yourself as an assignment. So I hope children you are clear with this. Any problem? Okay, you can clear your doubt during the clarification session, that is in the evening. Thank you and take care.